Let's face it, in the vast digital landscape, your website is just one among billions. Without traffic, it's like a shop in a deserted alleyway. No visibility, no customers, no business. Web traffic is the lifeblood of your online presence. More traffic translates to more potential customers, more brand awareness, and ultimately, more revenue. It's simple. The more people visit your website, the higher your chances of converting them into loyal customers. Imagine your website as a fishing boat. Traffic is like casting a wider net into the ocean of the internet. The wider your net, the more fish you catch. So if you're serious about succeeding online, you need to crack the code of generating consistent, high-quality web traffic. That's where our friend Google comes in. Google is more than just a search engine, it's the gatekeeper of the internet. Every single day, billions of searches are performed on Google, making it the most popular website globally. Now imagine your website showing up at the top of those search results. That's the power of Google. It can send a tidal wave of traffic your way if you know how to play your cards right. Google uses complex algorithms to determine which websites are the most relevant and valuable for a particular search query. By understanding and leveraging these algorithms, you can hack your way to the top and unlock a treasure trove of organic traffic. Think of Google as a giant marketplace. By optimizing your website for Google, you're essentially setting up shop in the busiest part of the market, attracting a constant stream of potential customers. So, are you ready to unravel the secrets of Google and become a traffic-generating maestro? Let's dive right in. Keywords are the magic words that unlock the doors to Google's treasure trove of traffic. When someone types a query into Google, it looks for websites that are relevant to those keywords. Effective keyword research is like being a detective. You need to understand what your target audience is searching for and then optimize your website accordingly. By targeting the right keywords, you can ensure that your website shows up when it matters the most. There are various tools available, both free and paid, that can help you identify relevant keywords for your website. These tools provide valuable insights into search volume, competition, and keyword trends. Think of keywords as signposts on the information superhighway. By using the right keywords, you're guiding Google to your website, making it easy for your target audience to find you. Remember, keyword research is an ongoing process. As your website grows and evolves, so should your keyword strategy. Stay curious, keep experimenting, and watch your traffic soar. Section 4, SEO, On-Page Optimization, Building a Google-Friendly Website. Now that you know what keywords to target, it's time to optimize your website for Google. This is where on-page SEO comes in. It's all about making your website appealing to both search engines and human visitors. Think of on-page SEO as dressing your website for success. You want it to look good, be easy to navigate, and provide valuable information to your visitors. This includes optimizing your website's content, structure, and technical elements. Ensure your keywords are strategically placed in your page titles, headings, and throughout your content. However, remember that stuffing your content with keywords will do more harm than good. Focus on creating high-quality, engaging content that provides value to your audience. By making your website a welcoming and informative space, you'll keep both Google and your visitors happy, leading to higher rankings and increased traffic. Section 5, SEO Off-Page Optimization, Building Authority and Backlinks. Off-page SEO is all about building your website's authority and reputation in the eyes of Google. Think of it like word-of-mouth marketing. The more reputable websites that link back to you, the more trustworthy your website becomes. Backlinks are like votes of confidence from other websites. The more high-quality backlinks you have, the higher Google will rank your website. There are many ways to earn backlinks, such as guest blogging, submitting your website to directories, and participating in online forums. However, focus on earning backlinks naturally by creating high-quality content that other websites would want to link to. Building a strong backlink profile takes time and effort, but it's a crucial aspect of off-page SEO. By establishing your website as an authority in your industry, you'll reap the rewards of increased traffic and brand visibility.